Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Partnerstack integrations for recurring subscription referrals, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore Partnerstack integrations for recurring subscription referrals, start by logging into your Partnerstack account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your integrations. Identify the integration you need to restore. Click on the Integrations tab in the left sidebar. Locate the specific integration that was previously set up for subscriptions. Select the integration to view its settings. Check the status of the integration to confirm if it's active or disconnected. If the integration is disconnected, look for the Reconnect button. Click on Reconnect to initiate the restoration process. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the integration. You may need to provide your credentials for the third-party service. Input any required API keys or access tokens if prompted. Once authorized, confirm the connection by clicking Save or Connect. Check for any configuration settings that may need adjustment. Ensure that the referral settings align with your subscription model. Test the integration by simulating a referral to verify functionality. Monitor for any warning or error messages during the process. If the integration is still not functioning, consult Partnerstack's Help Center for troubleshooting tips. Once restored, ensure to update any necessary documentation regarding the integration. Regularly review your integrations to maintain optimal performance. These steps will help in effectively restoring your Partnerstack integrations for recurring subscription referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.